What is a .gitignore file?
*gitignore is a special text file used in Git repositories. Its purpose is to tell Git which files and folders should be ignored or not tracked by version control. By listing file names or patterns in this file, you can prevent unnecessary or sensitive files from being added to your repository's history.
Why should you use .gitignore?
Using a gitignore file helps keep your project history clean and organized. It prevents temporary files, logs, and personal settings from cluttering your repository. This makes it easier for others to work with your code and reduces the risk of accidentally sharing sensitive or irrelevant files.
Common files to ignore.
Typical entries in a gitignore file include compiled binaries, local configuration files, build artifacts, and dependency folders, such as node modules or vendor. Ignoring these files protects your repository from unwanted bloat and ensures only the necessary source code and assets are tracked.
How to use and customize .gitignore.
To use .gitignore, simply create a file named gitignore in your project's root directory and add patterns matching the files you want to exclude. You can tailor this list for your programming language, framework, and specific development tools, ensuring your repository meets your exact needs.
Best practices for safe and efficient repos.
Always set up your .gitignore before committing code to a new repository. Regularly update it as your project evolves. Use template .gitignore files for your language or framework when starting out. These habits help keep your Git repository clean, secure, and easy to manage over time.